what I like about his teaching is he makes a very complex topic very simple. It's like a storytelling way of teaching. So that always helps. So definitely it creates a base for you. My name is Chetan Malhotra. I work for DXC Technology. It's been 4.5 years for me here. I'm already an MBA in finance from KJSMI Mumbai. I have enjoyed that topic uh, rather than I've studied it, because the way he has taught it, he creates a map and then he keeps joining it, joining things with arrows and all. That is something which has worked for me. Miles is a good template to have. It is like a real good friend you have who can help you cover this journey. But again, it has to be your intent. CPA matlab miles.